It's a shame that it's raining outside. Yep, it's very much a shame that it's just, oops, that it's raining outside. Yep, it's very shit and boring. What are we gonna do? Oops. I don't know. We could just watch the TV. You know, see what's on. Oh, I know. We could see what's on the TV. I just said that. You know what? I haven't said anything. We're not getting cancelled. We're not getting cancelled. You're right. Okay, let me grab the Xbox pad. Oh, press the button then. No, but you're gonna wait 5 minutes because it's raining or it doesn't work. That's very stupid. We should get a new TV. That's the next episode. The new TV. Oh my god, like what? Is that Squishmallows? At McDonald's? Squishmallows are back at McDonald's. Squishmallows are back at McDonald's. I have to get all of them. I want the banana one and the gacha one, and I want all of them so I can flag and tell people that they're broken and they have nothing in life. So I guess we could just get one. Just one. Well, yeah. No, let's see with the money. I guess we'll go get the phone then. Hello, this is McDonald's. How can I help you? I'd like the Squishmallows, please. You have to wait 5 minutes. Here's who's wait. Previously at the McDonald's headquarters. Previously at the McDonald's headquarters. Right. Scheduled delivery. We need a gift. The fucking Squishmallow toy. Oh wait, do you know what? I'm drunk. Okay, we'll get our best delivery driver out there. So, Hitler was right about everything. Don't say that. You're trying to get us cancelled, you fucking blonde. Do you know what? Why do I work at fucking McDonald's? That's right. I just want the toy. Right. Ugh. Better wake up. Get fresh. Oh, shit. My t-shirt's too tight. Fucking wonder why. I couldn't. Right. I can't even grab the toy. It's just. Right. I better go deliver this toy. Right. Shit. Fuck. Let's hide over a toy. I better just go back to McDonald's. My boss is gonna be delivering shit on me for dropping the toy. Did you deliver the toy? Yeah. You meant to cut, cameraman. I said cut. Wow. That came very quick. Monkey, I think you should open it. Yeah. Is this the one I want? Open me, you fat fuck. Cheeky bastard. Here's a look at the box. Everybody, shit. If anyone wants to scan the QR codes, you can. Hi, my name is, what's my name again? Junie. There's Junie the fucking banana. Oh, but banana. I love fucking bananas. I'm a monkey thing. But for Pgtips, you discriminating bastard. Cheese. Okay, let's have a look at this toy. I'm not a toy. I'm a banana, you fucking nut. Do you know what? Shut up. I don't even care. You're a squishmallow. I'll squish you, you little... Oh, get off it. Fucking move. Oh, great. We took the tag off him. Shit. Oh, well. I'm a Squishmallow. Oh, Mr. Squishmallow. Hey, I didn't tell you if I was a female or not. Squishy, squishy, squish. Is that it? Bit boring. See ya. Okay, then. I don't care. I'm going back to find a princess. See ya. But bye then. Feed me. Well, I guess I'll keep it. Go. Hey, doggy, doggy, doggy. I'm a banana. Oh, great. It's raining again. Let's get that out of here. Do you hear that weird noise? Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, what weird noise. Hello. Wait, didn't you just throw him? Yeah, I did just throw him. Well, I guess you can come over me now. Doggy, 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 doggy. Doggy, doggy, dog. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Because if you don't, I'm going to break into your house and I'm going to steal your little PS4. I'm going to jump over your PS5. I'm going to break it. Peace. Andrew, you meant to cut the camera. Do you mean no? Do you want me to come behind there and sort you out? Come here.